parabola, the best way to understand it is to do a table of values, which you can use a calculator to do. You square the -2 is 4, square the -1 is 1, square the 0.5 is 0.25. And then just fill in the details. You fill in the details, right? Yeah.
Like, so does it look like that?
Yep. Okay, and then plot the points. Let's plot the point. 1, 2, half is 0.25. And, yeah. Why does it not make sense? Let's try again. Have a look. You're going to square -2, right? But make sure you put a bracket around it. 4. Yes, you do. So you go x, y. Got it? And then plot the points. Plus. Oops. Okay, watch. So you go like this. Alright, got distracted. Alright, continue. So you join the dots, you get a curve, and this curve is called the parabola. Not good enough. Let's try again. Okay, arrows on both ends. Does that make sense? Let's try the other one. What if there's a negative in front of x squared? What that means is... Alright, oops. Frozen. There you go. Okay. So you're going to go... There's a negative in front of x squared. So when you put it in, put negative bracket, -2, close bracket squared. Does it make sense? You get -4. Yes. -4. So when you have a negative in front, it's -1 multiplied by x squared. So whatever the answer you got before, everything turns into negative. 0, just 0. Okay, thank you. And the next one, -0.25. 0, -0.25. -1, -4. Yep. No, it doesn't. See, you have a negative and negative, put a bracket around it, you still get negative. Yep. So this one, after you did it, you plot the points. Yeah. So we plot the points first, which you get this, and you get a curve. Parabola. Okay, you'll get 2 parabolas. Okay. Continuing on, we see this parabola has the equation y equal to -x squared. This parabola has the equation y equal to x squared. And there's a special name for these two. We call the parabola that goes up, concave up. So that looks like a smiley face. The smiley face parabola is called concave up. And when there's a negative in front, we call the parabola concave down. Yeah, concave. So the way whether there's concave up or concave down, it's called no convex, just concave. Concavity. Concave, right? Yep, I'm sure you like this topic. Yep, so you will get a topic test. Okay, hopefully you're all done. Hopefully you're all done. And we're going to talk about this thing. Okay. Continue to record. Now, on this parabola, as you can see, a parabola has what we call axis of symmetry. What's an axis of symmetry? Is the line in the middle here. Right? Oh, sorry. Well, it's like an axis. Line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, axis. Yeah. Okay. And also where the axis symmetry crosses this point is called the vertex. So this point is called the vertex. And we'll learn about the x and y intercept in the previous topic. X-intercept here and the y-intercept there. So we need to know how to identify these features on our next page when we look at the parabola in more detail. So let's look at an example, okay? Next page, ready? All finished? You remember this? Okay, let's go through the next page. First question, watching. Let's make it into a bit bigger page width. Okay, watch. Oh, not like that. Not this. That's okay, like this. Okay, equation of axis symmetry. So if you draw the axis symmetry here, there's a line in the middle. It's not very straight. Okay, there's a line of symmetry here. Now, what's the equation? Where does it cross on the x-axis? 3, right? So the equation is x equal, it's an equation equal to 3. That's the equation of axis symmetry. And what's the turning point? Oh, sorry. You're right. -3. Oops. X equal to -3. Well done to Declan. Okay, next one. Type of turning point. No, the turning point is called the maximum turning point because it has a maximum value.
What does that say, sir?
Maximum turning point because it's the highest point. Of course, if it's like this, it's called the minimum turning point. Does that make sense?
Is there anything in between that?
Yes.
What if it goes, just think about it like that.
They have two different turning points, which you will learn in 11 and 12. Yep. All right, corners of the turning point. What's the corner of that point? That's going to be -3, 4. Okay, so that's called turning point that turns, right? It's called turning point, watch. And at that point, it turns, right? It turns around. That's why it's called turning point. Because it's the highest. It's like mountain is the peak, right? Mountain. This is the highest point. It's turning, and that point is the highest, yeah. No, if it's not upside down, that's upside down, that's concave up, that's called minimum. Yeah, minimum turning point. Yep, there's only two types. Minimum turning point, maximum turning point. Okay, good. Next one, what's the x-intercept? -5 and not 0, -1. Continue. What's the y-intercept? -5. Well done. That's the y-intercept. Now you know how to read it. It's very good. We're going to do another question, identifying all the features. Let's complete the table of values. Put in -3 square, which is 9 minus 4 is 5. -2 square 4 minus 4 is 0. -3, -4, -3 again, 0 and 5. Can you plot the points? Let's go. You substitute onto the calculator or do it by hand. Okay, I'll show you. You go like this. Yeah, I did it on my head. It's easy. Go -3 square, right? -4. It's just hard work. It's not smart. It's hard work. Okay, hard work. Okay. All right. Watch this. Okay. No, watch this. Did you put a bracket? Please put a bracket. Otherwise, give you a different answer. No. Watch this. It's the negative inside. All right. Please look at the expression carefully. Okay, you got it? Okay, yes, that's good. Next one. And then -1, -3, -4. We got it. Okay, watch this. Got the points now, and join the dots to get a parabola. Hard to draw. Let me try to draw it. You know what? I use the O pen. I think it works better. Yeah, it's much better. Sometimes it's easier to write on the screen, just that the pen's not good enough. Okay, good. I drew it. That's a parabola. Yes. Question. Continuing, type of the turning point. What type would it be? Minimum. Minimum. Axis symmetry. Where's the axis? No, it's a vertical line. X equal to 0. Okay. Next one, coordinates of the turning point. What's the coordinates? 0 minus 4. X equal to 0. It's a vertical line. All right. Not that 6 look like this, right? Okay, next one, y-intercept. What's the y-intercept? Where does it cross on the y-axis? Negative 4. What's the x-intercept? Well done. Please do exercise 10E today. 10E. Thank you.